Today, I'm launching the next round of the 6-week shred challenge. So let's get started. Check out all of the amazing transformations under the hashtag GageGirlTraining. We just had an amazing group of people finish the first round of the 6-week shred challenge. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with GageGirlTraining, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer by training. Today, I'm launching the next round of the 6-week shred challenge. So let's get started. So if you haven't been on Instagram lately, make sure you follow me at GageGirlTraining and check out all of the amazing transformations under the hashtag GageGirlTraining. We just had an amazing group of people finish the first round of the 6-week shred challenge, which started on January 1st, and we are ready to start another challenge starting February 18th. As you guys know, there are several editions of the 6-week shred. The 6-week shred is a 42-day meal plan, which the macros change every 2 weeks. It is a do-it-yourself protocol for automatic download, and it is not customized. This protocol is designed for people who have about 25 pounds or so to lose, or if you are jump-starting a much longer weight loss journey. Now, this is great for people who love variety in their meal plans. The reason is every single day is a different menu. What's gonna end up happening for most people is you're probably gonna end up picking maybe 1 to 2, sometimes maybe even 3 menus per week, and you'll prep those as you go. But if you're very ambitious and you love cooking and you love variety, you can practically go about it and make new menus every day. The nice thing that we've been doing lately at GageGirlTraining is we've been adding tons of variety to these protocols. So in the new year, we just launched the Latin American shred, which had Mexican, Cuban, all kinds of amazing Latino, Spanish cuisine. And I am proud to announce the launch of the Asian 6-week shred. As you guys know, your girl is half Asian. I'm actually half Filipino and half Slovak. And I really dug deep into my Asian roots for this program. You will be eating lots of rice for breakfast, lots of eggs. I have it inspired by Filipino, Thai, Chinese, Japanese, and Vietnamese cuisine. There might be like maybe one Indian dish in there, but it's mostly Southeast Asian inspired dishes. I have everything from like egg roll in a bowl, Filipino chicken adobo, I have tocino, I have soups. There are just all kinds of amazing recipes. So you definitely want to check that out if you like Asian inspired cuisine. The next plan that we'll be launching tomorrow, I'll have another video on it, is the 6-week shred keto edition. Now, unlike all of the other shreds, the keto edition is something that is going to be very, very special and unique as it utilizes ketogenic macronutrient ratios. So stay tuned tomorrow for that video where that protocol will be live in the next 24 hours. But right now, you can save a total of $50 off of this program with code GGT2018 at checkout. You'll save $50 off of the program. This code is only valid for a limited time. So if you want to participate in the challenge, where I will be giving away $1,000 to the first place winner, $250 to the second place winner, $100 to my third place winner, make sure you purchase the challenge entry fee, which is only $6.99, link below. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.